Hello student, welcome to my class and today topic is part of plants. In this chapter we will discuss about the parts of the plants. A plant is made up of different parts: roots, stem, leaves, flowers, seeds, fruits, etc. Okay? So these are the basic parts of almost all plants. These parts can be categorized under two groups. Under two groups are the root system and the shoot system. Root system always grow below the ground and the shoot system always grow above the ground. Is that clear? The root system grow below the ground and the shoot system grow above the ground. It consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. Okay, this is a shoot system. And students, there are two types of root system. There are the two types of root system are the taproot and the fibrous root. Okay, now we will discuss about the function of the root. What are the functions of the roots? Okay, the main functions of the roots are: roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root hold the plants firmly in the soil. Second, roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil and these are required by the plants to grow. Without water and nutrients, plant will die. And number 3, the function of the root is: some roots store food in them. This stored food is used by plants which also eat roots of plants like carrot, radish and turnip. Okay? Now we will discuss about the shoot system that grow above the ground. Okay? And the part of the plant that grow above the ground is called the shoot system and it consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seed, etc. Okay, now first of all we will discuss about what is the role of stem. What is the role of stem? The stem is the aerial part of the plant. This is a aerial part of the plant. Is that clear? And it grows away from the soil and towards sunlight. Leaves, buds, flowers and fruits grows on the stem. Okay, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, these parts of the plants grows on the stem. Clear? And it supports the upper parts of the plant. Okay? This is the main role of stem. It supports the upper part of the plant and roots hold the plant firmly under the ground. Is that clear? Now students, what are the main function of this stem? The main function of the stem are: it keeps most plants upright and supports its branches. Okay, these are branches and stem supports these branches. Clear? And it bears leaves and branches. It carries water and nutrients from roots to leaf. From roots to leaf, it carries water from roots to leaves. ये रूट्स से वाटर को कैरी करता हुआ लीव्स तक पहुंचाता है. ओके, एंड स्टेम ऑफ सम प्लांट्स सच एज शुगर कैन स्टोर एक्स्ट्रा फूड इन इट एंड स्टेम ऑफ सम प्लांट्स सच एज potato and ginger can grow underground and store extra food, and we eat the stem of sugarcane, potato and ginger. Clear? Now we will discuss about the leaf. This is a leaf. We will discuss about the leaf. Okay. Now leaves are the most important part of the plant. Leaves are the most important part of the plant. Okay, and they are the food making factories of green plants. Okay, here the plants are preparing the food in the leaf. Okay, and leaves are usually green due to the presence of a pigment called chlorophyll. Why the leaves are green in color? Because the presence of the pigment are present in the leaves, and it is also called the chlorophyll. And this pigment helps them in trapping sunlight and making food for the plant. Okay, this pigment trapping the sunlight. Suppose सन की लाइट को ट्रैप करता है ये पिगमेंट और इट हेल्प्स टू प्रिपेयर द फूड ऑल्सो. क्लियर? नाउ we will discuss about the structure of the leaves. Okay, this is axil, this is petiole, there are so many side veins, it is called the vein, and this is a midrib between the leaf, and flat surface of the leaf is called the plate. Okay, so a leaf is usually thin and flat. The flat surface of a leaf is called the leaf plate or lamina. A number of lines are called vein. Okay, and the vein in the middle of the leaf is called the midrib or the main vein. Leaf also has many small processes on the lower side of the leaf plate. Leaf also has many small pores. Okay. This is a blade, flat surface of the leaf, and a leaf also has many small pores on the lower side of the लीफ प्लेट. लीफ प्लेट के लोअर साइड में छोटे छोटे पोर्स होते हैं, एंड दीज पोर्स आर कॉल्ड स्टोमेटा. एंड व्हाट आर द रोल्स ऑफ दीज स्टोमेटा? विच with the help of stomata exchange of gases in plant. Okay, the outer surface of the leaf has a waxy coating called corticil which protect the leaf. A leaf also has many small pores on the lower side of the leaf plate. Okay, and these pores are called stomata. Now we will discuss about the function of the leaf. Okay, the most important function of a leaf is to make food by a process called photosynthesis. Okay, and this is why a leaf is known as the kitchen or the food factory of a plant. Clear? And stomata present on the leaf help in exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, and the leaf gives out extra water during photosynthesis. And number 4, leaves in some plants such as cabbage, spinach and lettuce store food, and we eat the leaves of such plants. Okay, so already I have discussed the part of the leaf and what is the role of leaf, what is the role of stem, and what is the role of roots. Is that clear, students? Okay, thank you.